Hi, hope you're all doing good. So what are all the mistakes to avoid during preparation? In the process of our preparation, we knowingly or unknowingly commit several mistakes. So the objective of this video series is to identify those mistakes and see how we can avoid them in the process of our journey. In the process of cracking entrance, we all know that practicing multiple choice questions is very important. And in the process of practicing multiple choice questions, are we really practicing them in a right manner? Or are we just after finding out the right answer and then mugging up the right answer for that appropriate multiple choice question? So that's something we need to focus on. Because often I see few students mugging up the answers for a particular multiple choice question. See, when I say mugging up or memorizing, don't get confused. I'm not saying that you should not memorize certain things or facts. If you have value-based questions, right, certain memory-based topics, obviously you need to memorize them. There is nothing wrong in it. But mugging up multiple choice question, when I say mugging up or by hearting, I mean trying to blindly go by a single answer for that multiple choice question without analyzing why that's the answer or how the other option couldn't be the answer. So when you have this tendency to mug up or memorize multiple choice questions blindly, do you think it serves any purpose? It doesn't serve any purpose for the following reasons. First and foremost, you're not going to get the same multiple choice question in the exam. Even if you get, what if there is a twist in the question? Do you remember Chatur's Hindi speech in his college auditorium in Three Idiots movie? So that's the exact kind of scenario which we might face. So blindly memorizing an answer to a particular question doesn't serve any purpose. Understanding what's being asked and why other options shouldn't be the answer is also equally important. And as I said, mugging up or memorizing answers doesn't serve any purpose for the following reasons. The first and foremost, you're not going to get the same question again in the exam. And second, it prevents you from going through the entire question and all the options, which is very, very important. See, you have gone through a specific multiple choice question and in future you come across a similar kind of multiple choice question, maybe because of overconfidence or maybe because of the fact that you feel like you know the answer for that question. You do not allow yourself to go through the entire question and all the options. What if there is a twist in the question? What if the options are changed? What if the sequence of options are changed? And that's another justification as to why you shouldn't blindly memorize multiple choice questions. Third, it doesn't encourage lateral thinking or out-of-box thinking. See, when you're in the process of memorizing a particular fact, it's like you're fixed on it. It doesn't encourage you to think, another possible dimension which could be useful for you to crack that particular multiple choice question. So memorizing blindly doesn't encourage lateral or out-of-box thinking. And finally, it's not in the right spirit of learning. See, the objective of giving a test, the purpose of practicing a multiple choice question is to analyze our knowledge levels and to see if we can use some logic to come to an appropriate conclusion. Do you think these objectives will be met if we blindly memorize multiple choice questions, just simply go after the right key without analyzing why and how that particular key is appropriate for that MCQ? So these are some things which I want you to think and ponder over. And never memorize a particular multiple choice question and its key blindly. And if that's the case, it doesn't serve the purpose.